Hi, this is John, and in this clip we will be removing our door. Now that we have cut all of our nails that is holding our door in place, the door is loose and we're ready to completely remove it. Now taking a look at the threshold on the bottom of the door, underneath that, if the door was installed properly, there should be some type of construction adhesive that is holding that bottom plate down. So when we tip out our door, there is a good chance that that bottom plate might stick. To pull out our door, I'm going to make sure I have a good handle on it, and I'm going to tip it out towards me. Just real gently. And as it starts to tip, I'm going to start to walk the door. Now, as you can see below the threshold, there obviously was not any type of construction adhesive or even any sealant that was holding our door in place. And really the only thing keeping animals and the wind out of our house was this spray foam that was installed. Now, one thing real nice about the old door is that there was this extra security plate that was added, and that is for the deadbolt. The deadbolt catches on that, and it's much harder for someone to break in.